situation. But once it comes to light, it sounds like the police department is doing an investigation into it.
Now moving to the child abuse case that she's facing, this jury trial slated to begin. We'll see what happens on January 26th. And it seems like there's the case of this young girl found in a closet, according to police, and then you have Ava Gonzalez, who hasn't been seen since 2017, and now it seems like police believe that she may have been murdered. Why keep those two separate, where she's heading now to this jury trial, but then at the same time there's an investigation going on? Why not, since they're both her kids? I mean, what's the strategy typically when it comes to prosecuting someone like this, where you have multiple layers and multiple crimes? I know it's not a double jeopardy because they're separate, but at the same time, it seems like there's more to come no matter what happens with this jury trial, whether or not that it starts on the day that's supposed to, which is the 26th.
Torres wins. Torres wins. An upset for the ages.
Dad, why can't we go fast?
It's just the way things are. So I would ask the board to consider, what if our next app wasn't slow? What a day. What's this? Learn skills in weeks, not years, at University of Phoenix.
Oh yeah, I'm already programming.
Can you program a racing app?
Can you market a racing app?
Looks like it.
Yeah, that's a good point. The charge that she's facing right now, she has been charged with, right? So that's an injury to a child. Injury to a child can range from a state jail felony all the way to a first-degree felony, depending upon the factors of the case and the intent behind the individual and what they're being charged with, that intent. And so here she's being charged with injury to a child. She's not being charged with a murder case. And so it's two separate things, two separate individuals. And so it should be two separate trials. It should be two separate charges altogether. And so no matter what happens in this particular case, she should be brought charged on a separate case altogether for this other individual. And so it's not something that should run parallel to each other just because, you know, it's such a heinous crime on both ends. She should be charged on both children as the investigation continues to move forward.
And you know, this child abuse case is just terrible. No doubt about that. And being a criminal defense attorney is a really hard job, I'm sure, in these cases, having to defend someone like Virginia Gonzalez and what she's accused of, because there's going to be evidence that this child was malnourished. I mean, the science will be there. How does a defense attorney, because I know there are some questions about custody and legally who was the person who was supposed to be looking after, even though she's the mom. I guess, how does a defense attorney effectively, especially when a jury may be horrified with what a prosecutor may say, the injuries that this girl has potentially for life, how at the same time does a defense attorney, you know, an effective strategy in trying to defend your client and saying, hey, this is not her fault, which is what her defense attorney likely is going to do?
Yeah, I think we have to start back a little further. When I was a young lawyer, an older lawyer told me it's your job as defense attorney to protect the rights of the defendant, to make sure the state is doing their job, and if they don't, then you bring awareness to that. And so the first part is, well, is it that her rights are being actually fulfilled? Is she making sure that her rights are being paid attention to, right? So that's the first part. And if that's the case, the defense attorney brought the first offer or multiple offers to this defendant. She decided that she didn't want to accept that offer, which was 40 years. Then the defendant is the one who makes the decision on moving forward with the trial case. And the counsel then decides, okay, well, I'm going to move forward with that trial case. And if that happens, then we come up with some strategies at that time. It's going to be very difficult, trial altogether. Showing those kind of pictures to a jury is going to be an emotional trial. And so that's going to be pictures, testimony, anything that deals with the child, especially pictures that are going to be very graphic, is going to be a very emotional based trial setting.
Yeah, it is. There's no doubt that this is just a horrific case. We'll see how it plays out, whether this jury trial starts on the time it's slated, and what new charges, if any, will come Virginia Gonzalez's way. Bridget Williams, trial attorney from Texas, thank you as always for being with us on Law and Crime. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me, Chris.
as it stands right now, Gonzalez's jury trial on those child abuse charges is slated for January 26th. That will do it for On the Case, presented by Law and Crime. Subscribe to us on YouTube and Spotify, and now you can find episodes of On the Case on Peacock. I'm Chris Stewart. We'll see you next time.
This was my interior design business last year, before HoneyBook. And this is my business with HoneyBook. Now I have more time, educate clients clearly, and keep projects profitable. Get started for free at honeybook.com.
I recently purchased the most popular glucose meter online and decided to test it with you. If you have diabetes or know anyone dealing with it, you understand how annoying.
On August 18th, 2021, officers responded to a call of a battery with a vehicle. A woman had been following her boyfriend who was not answering his phone, which led to an altercation outside of a Subway restaurant.
What happened? What happened?
I got hit by a car.
Did she hit you? Who hit her? Did you hit her or?
Yeah, that's why I'm still here.
Okay. All right. What hurts?
This whole leg, I cannot move.
All right, no problem. The medics are coming for you, okay? You have your ID on you? What happened? How'd you get there?
I was following her. She said I hopped out, and I was like, oh,
One vehicle is going to be vehicle versus pedestrian.
shit. I didn't even know she was in the car, though.
Kroll, can you get her 14? Hey.
Everything right here, and gonna get put
Kayla, did she hit you on accident?
Can my mom come right now?
Yeah.
Where are we?
We're at Parker and Southern.
We're on Parker and Southern at a Subway. Parker and Southern.
Come back to Civil Stadium.
Oh my God.
What happened? You were walking.
You need to talk to them and tell them what's going on.
Out of a car, and she hit me.
She hit you?
Yes. Yes. Oh my God.
She jumped out of the car? She jumped out of the car.
Yeah. And then she got hit by the car. That's what she's saying.
I'm so sorry.
This bag is perfect for all of life's moments. This is the Coach Mini Terry Crossbody bag. Not only does it come with a longer chain to actually make the crossbody, but it also has this adorable gold chain, so I can just put it around my elbow, put it around my shoulder. Get the best of both worlds. That's what I love about it.
Talk to me.
This all right here hurts so bad. I tried to move some, but it hurts. Oh my God, why me?
How old are you?
I'm 20.
You have an ID?
I got it for you.
You jumped out of another car? I got your phone. And this car hit you? Is that what happened? We're going to take her to Mary. We're going to hang on now, okay?
Those two. Loud music.
Did you jump out of another vehicle? You did? What?
Because he told me to.
Okay.
I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to get in the car.
Whose car were you in?
Another car. Can I please have my phone? I just feel weird not having it.
Which car were you in? This one over here?
Listen, we're gonna pick you up.
Okay.
It's gonna hurt.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah. Oh. Oh my God. Ah. Ah. I can't. Oh my God!
No trauma, right? No, okay.
Trauma, but not trauma alert.
All right.
Can I grab your ID and all that?
Is my license gonna be revoked for this?
What's that?
Is my license gonna be revoked?
For what?
An accidental leave?
No. You need your license, your insurance. Can you run the tag?
Sorry?
What happened?
I was following my friend and she got out the car and like I kept driving and I guess it's sort of like, and then like I felt like
Where were you?
no, like I was like I kept driving.
Where
and
were
then I heard it.
Where
Here,
were
this
you?
area.
Okay. So you pulled
So then like
pulled in here?
Yeah. So this way.
Okay.
That way. But then like I turned around.
Pulled in,
Yeah.
dropped off.
No, I was driving
Somebody.
behind my friend. And
Okay.
then she came out his car. But I just kept driving to follow him. And like
Where did she come from?
the car.
Okay. You're gonna have to explain this a little better.
So you was coming in this parking lot right here, right, Colette?
I'm so sorry.
Colette, it's fine. Okay. Do you need medics to check you out?
No, I didn't get hurt.
Okay.
I did not get hurt.
Okay.
Yes.
He has it. So you was off of Belvedere. You was cutting this way, right?
Following a friend, yeah.
Okay. And then what happened?
And she hopped out the car.
Like near the dumpster?
Right here. And I just kept driving, but she hopped out.
So she hopped out the car that was going into traffic or was already traveling?
So I was following the car.
Is it supposed to be
so-
showing
Okay.
just my
She hopped out
hand?
with the back seat or the passenger side? The back seat passenger side or back seat driver side?
I hope so.
So she jumped out the car.
And I kept driving. And
I
then
am.
I felt like I hit her and I backed up. I was like, oh shit. So I went to turn around. Cause like,
You
I'm
felt
gonna like leave her there.
right. Do you know like what part of your car you felt that hit her?
The front.
And you didn't hit another car, you just hit her?
There was no traffic.
Those, that,
This might be from gate, I don't know. No, actually no, I ran into a gate earlier. I'm sorry. I ran into a gate.
today?
Yeah, following my friend.
So following your friend, you ran into a gate. Following your friend, you hit this pedestrian?
Not into a gate, like ran into it, but you know like the curbs, there's like a gate and then there's a curb. I was on like, I hit where the like.
Okay, so what part of your car hit her? Do you
I
think?
know this side.
How fast were you going, you think, when you hit her?
Not too fast, but I mean, it's a heavy car.
Yeah, it's a heavy car. Probably has a broken leg.
You always wondered why that app didn't exist. Now you can make it. Meet Replit Agent. Want a custom workout plan? Make an app for that. Have a great idea at 2 a.m.? Make an app for that. Need to run an analysis? Or learn with your kids? Make an app for that too. This isn't just making apps. This is your imagination unleashed. Describe what you want and watch it come to life. No coding experience, right from your phone. Made an awesome app? Share it with a friend. Have a business idea? Start in minutes. Everything you need is in your hands. Now is the perfect time. Create something amazing. What will you make today? Try it free at Replit.com.
Are you still checking people off of iCloud because you don't got no service on your phone? And before you start talking about, oh, it's expensive and we're in a recession and this and this and that and the third, you've never heard of Woodmo. You've never heard of unlimited call, text, data for $25 a month. You ain't never heard of that. And I know you struggle with titles and commitment. That's why there's no contracts and you get to keep your own phone number. Okay, that's why we love Wood Mobile. Yes, yes. Wood Mobile for the win.
From jumping out the car, or
What's that?
from jumping out the car, or
No, yeah, I can't figure that part.
because I can't see any,
Yeah, no damn.
nothing indicating.
From another vehicle or.
Yeah, she said she ends up hitting the gate earlier, following a friend.
Yeah, she seemed like she had a lefty responsible for injury. Left eye.
Left eye, so that would have been like from the back, bam.
Maybe.
But then she would have sat on here. How fast do you think you were traveling?
Not fast, because like in here, so it's pretty slow. Like, and there was a car, my friend's car in front of me, so not really fast.
Where'd your friend go to?
He kept driving.
He left you?
He left, like, yeah, he left her. Like, I guess he's dropping her off. I don't know.
So she was traveling in the car with your friend?
Yeah. I don't know.
So you know her then?
Hello?
Is this your friend right here? So she jumped out the car.
I have no idea, bro.
That's what I'm saying. She jumped out the car with her friend. The friend that she was.
Where?
The friend that she was following. She claims right here, and that's probably right there, because she says that she was following her friend. She jumped out. That person jumped out that friend's car.
Coming this way.
Coming this way. So and she hit him. The friend who she's talking about took off. And so she says she doesn't know her, but you're following a friend. She was in your friend's car. You know what I mean? That's like. So there's some like gravel underneath this one, which probably there's gravel and dirt underneath this one.
Yeah.
Probably to go with that fence, but
He said this side, but.
There's some damage underneath here, and there's a little piece in the road that might be.
Yes, I crocheted for 18 minutes today. I hope it was beautiful because it was just my hands. But I'm definitely feeling for a nap, so I'm gonna
The
take a
pedestrian
little
jumped out the
sleep
friend's
for
car.
rest.
She hit her. Didn't know she hit her, so she backed up. Friend took off.